are here now in famous bagel store. So we're gonna go inside and buy bagels. Natopla. Dahil maraming bumibili, oh. Look at the ang daming nakatambak na arena. PDCF sale ng magnet souvenir. Nagtitinda rin sila ng mga souvenir, different palaman at saka mga shirt. Ayan, bumili si FCL. Asan yung plano, magnet? Picture ang takakin. 1, 2, and 3. Ito yung address niya dito.
11.
It's really good.